Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everyone. How are you? Good, very good. I hope you all are fine at your homes. Today we are going to do some grammar work. So quickly grab your book, Grammar and Punctuation, and open page number 34. Quickly we are going to revise the concept of adjectives, comparative and superlatives. So what do you mean by adjective? Adjective is a describing word. You all know. When we compare two nouns, what do we use? Yes, comparative adjective. And when we compare three or more nouns, what do we use? Yes, we use superlative adjectives. So today we are going to do making sure the question number 2 on page number 35. Write the comparative and superlative form of each adjective. The first one in each group has been done for you. So dear class, to attempt this question, there are 3 basic rules to convert an adjective into its comparative and superlative form. So what is that rule? Let's start. So rule number 1 is when we have some words that ends with E, like wise, brave, safe, these are the words that are already given in your book. So we have to change into its comparative and superlative form. So while converting into comparative form, we just have to put R at the end. Wise, W-I-S-E, wise, wiser, W-I-S-E-R. So you just simply have to put R at the end of comparative form and ST at the end of superlative form. So it will be wise, wiser and wisest. Same for brave, B-R-A-V-E, it ends with E. So for comparative, simply put R at the end. Braver, B-R-A-V-E-R, braver, and bravest, B-R-A-V-E-S-T, right? Next word is safe, it ends with E, safer, safest, yes. So you are going to do the same with pale, paler, P-A-L-E-R, paler, palest, P-A-L-E-S-T. Strange, stranger, strangest, tame, tamer, tamest, white, whiter, whitest, and large, larger, largest. Rule number 2. Rule number 2 is when we have some words in which the second last alphabet is vowel. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are all the vowel words. So if in a word the second last alphabet is vowel. For example, over here we have hot, H-O-T. So second last alphabet is O, it's a vowel. Then when we will convert it into its comparative form, we are going to double the last word, hotter, H-O-T-T-E-R, right? We have O as a second last word, vowel as a second last word, so the last word would be double. Same for superlative form, hottest, H-O-T-T-E-S-T. Like fat, A is a vowel and it's the second last word, so the last word would be repeated, fatter, F-A-T-T-E-R, and fattest, F-A-T-T-E-S-T. Same is with big, I is a vowel, it's a second last word, so the last word would be double, bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger, biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T. So same you will do for the rest of the words. Red, redder, reddest, sad, sadder, saddest, wet, wetter, wettest, thin, thinner, thinnest, slim, slimmer, slimmest, and you are going to double the last word. The third rule is if a word ends with Y, if there is Y at the end of a word, so while changing it to its comparative form, we are going to put IER. Instead of Y, we use IER And for superlative, we are going to use IEST. For example, we have busy, B-U-S-Y. It ends with Y. So while converting into its comparative, it's busier, B-U-S-I-E-R. And busiest, B-U-S-I-E-S-T, for its superlative form. Same with the heavy, heavier, heaviest. Same with the rest of the words which you have in the book. Noise, noisy, noisier, noisiest. Lucky, luckier, I-E-R, luckiest, I-E-S-T. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Dry, drier, driest. Right, so these are the 3 rules which you are going to follow while doing question number 2, making sure that is on page number 35. I hope you have got the concept. If you still have any confusion, you can ask me. Thank you so very much.